Hello friends, let's crack together just in first attempt. It's very easy to crack Maharashtra SET or UGC NET exams. So here we are going to continue the next topic of software engineering, that is software quality. Now what is software quality? The software quality means whatever the requirements are laid down by the customer in SRS document should be satisfied after development. Now what is SRS document? Software requirement specification, the written document which is signed between the developer and customer. Now if that requirements are successfully completed, that is software quality is maintained. Now how it is measured? Quality methods are, it should be portable, software should be portable, usable, reusable, correct and maintainable. Now the next topic is MCQoS quality factors. Now there are three types of MCQoS quality factors: product operation factors, which have 5 factors: correctness, reliability, efficiency, integrity and usability, CRE-IU. Then next is product revision factors. There are 3 product revision factors: MFT, M for maintainability, F for flexibility and T for testability. And third is product transition factors. Product transition factors are listed with 3 factors: PRI, P for portability, R for reusability and I for interoperability. There is a previous year question on these product transition factors in Maharashtra SET June 2020. Question is like this: which among the following are MCQoS product transition factors? Now product transition factors are 3: PRI, portability, reusability and interoperability. Now we have to list, select any 2. PR, here is reliability, here is reusability, our R is reusability, portability, reusability and third is interoperability. We have to select any 2, so answer is C, 2 and 4. Okay. Next is ISO 9126 quality factors. Now these quality factors are of 4 parts: quality model, external matrix, internal matrix and quality in use matrix. Okay, now they have the characteristics like functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, maintainability and portability. Next is quality control. How to control the quality of the software? To control the quality parameters or quality goals, quality parameters like process, projects, resources which are needed in software development. To control that, set of methods are used by the organization, and organization provides the ability to ensure that the software product will meet quality goals, means there is no quality issues. Then quality control process is, this is circular process: plan, do, check, act. Now okay. Next is quality assurance. Quality assurance means what? There are set of activities are used to ensure quality in software engineering processes. We always heard about that there are number of audits are conducted in banks or different organizations. Training is provided. So to check the to ensure there is a quality is controlled or not. If there are any quality issues, number of activities are used like auditing, training. Okay, to ensure it meets the desired quality measures. Now in this different weaknesses are identified if available, and then the continuous process is used to correct that weaknesses. Next is risk management. What is risk management? There is a classification if any risk is happened during the software development. How to manage that risk? Different types of risk are they given here. Project risk, which includes the budget related, software schedule, resources related risk. Resources are available or not. Schedule is going to be conducted very well or not. Technical risk related to the technology. Business risk related to the businesses. Okay, there are different principles of this risk management. Global perspective, risk should be handled globally. Take a forward looking new view. Open communication, how to handle that risk. Integrated management team should work together to manage that risk and continuous process. Next is RMMM. What is RMMM? R for risk management, mitigation and monitoring plan. Risk management means it is a plan a risk will occur. If risk will occur, mitigation means how to avoid that activity. Because of any activity risk will occur, then avoid that activity, that is mitigation, and tracking that activity means monitoring. Risk management, mitigation and monitoring plan, that is RMMM. Next is software reliability. What is reliability? Reliability means our software should be reliable, means work correctly over the given period of time. Means whatever time up to which we use that software, it should work correctly. That is, it should be reliable. Now, what is this is a bottom figure. Bottom means here in hardware. If we are going to minimize the failure rate, then it should be wear out. This part of figure means software hardwares are wear out, means failure rate is decrease, and in software softwares are not wear out. Not wear out means to minimize the failure rate in software is difficult than hardware, as after removing errors more error occurs. Means if we solve any error, again number of errors are occur. That is, software are not wear out. No, but there is a question on this, whether hardwares are wear out or softwares are wear out. We have to select hardwares are wear out, softwares are not wear out. To understand this, if bathtub figure wear out, no bathtub here, so it's not wear out. Now be remind two concepts. Software's maximum reliability is equals to 1 here, and minimum reliability is 0. Okay, be careful here. Maximum reliability is 1 and minimum reliability is 0. This is software reliability.